Go! You on. He's on. Folks, he's on, folks, he's on! Are you filming? So, we're gonna take a little tour around Hicks Park! These are jumps! It's gonna be fan-fucking-tastic! Yeah! We're gonna get complained by people. Big front! Yeah! Oh, shit! Shit! Oh my Jesus! God! I'm not even in control! I'm just holding on for dear fucking life! Fuck! Oh my God! No, I'm going round the back and then... No, listen, keep filming. When we get down that hill there, we stop filming. That, you know the big hill. We're just going up to one last jump now. We're gonna make it big. We're gonna make it work. Oh my God. Right, let's do a scout one. There she blows. There she blows. We're gonna turn around and go down and that's the end of the film. If I can turn around. I don't think I can turn around. PB trapped. Are you ready? This is the death jump. We could either live or die. Let's do it. You ready, Craig? You ready, viewers? Let's do it! No! No, get off me!